Girl.
Okay, let's see here. That's a little girl. Okay, girl 1. Sugar, stop. Okay, that's fine. I'm making a little video. Girl 1.
Girl.
That's girl number 2. That's the one Aaron loves. Okay. Let's go next. What is it, Adam?
3.
Girl number 3. Hi, Tweety. You're precious. Okay. Here comes one getting ready. I think that one's a boy. Boy. Okay. Boy number 1. Okay. Look at it.
No, we did not do this one yet.
Okay, that's a little girl.
No,
Oh, that's a boy.
That's a boy.
That's the other boy. Boy number 2. The only 2 boys. Okay. He's precious.
Last. Oh, sorry, buddy.
This one is so chill.
Different girl and
Yeah. Girl. Okay, move her head down just a little bit so we can see. Okay, super cute with the little
bitty spots.
Yeah, and her little tail tips white. Okay, and then the last little girl. Okay, I love this little face. It's like off center with a little black side on the other spot of her nose. Oh, she's sweet. Okay, that's the puppies.